right, so what you will need is a tray. You can get these from Dollar Tree for $1. Your glitters, and for this specific, you will need green, some silver holographic, and you will need some white holographic. Let me see. What I did was I took the white holographic and I put a little bit of the green inside of it, just a little bit of the silver holographic. You will also need your money. This is basically Mod Podge, so it's just paper, and I put Mod Podge and glitter on it. Also, you will need some premium gold flakes, which I got this from Michael's for about $7, but I used the coupon, so it came out to like $4. You will also need Mod Podge, white spray paint, and last but not least, you will need some epoxy, and I got this from Hobby Lobby for $17.99. You'll probably need some paper towels to clean up the mess. Also, you will need some paper or something to cover your area so that you don't get glitter and paint everywhere. We're going to take our spray paint and you want to place your tray on top of some boxes or whatever to protect your property. And we're just going to spray an even layer to cover. Just like that. This is how the tray looks. Like I said, you can kind of see where it missed some spots, but it does not have to be perfect. Unless you're not using glitter, then of course you want to make sure this is covered completely, but we're about to cover it with glitter, but we're just gonna pour some Mod Podge in there. Not too much. Your glitter and a brush. You're gonna take your brush and you are going to lightly coat it. All right, that should be fine. And now what we're going to do is we are going to take our glitter and cover it. All right, we are back. What we are going to do is shake off all the excess glitter. And what I did was I waited a few minutes just so it can kind of dry just a tad bit.
I don't even think I want a second coat. You see, that is the importance of laying down.
All right, so our next step is we want to seal the glitter so that it will not come up when we're placing our decal pieces or stickers or images, whatever. And so you can seal multiple ways. You can go back in with a layer of Mod Podge on top, or you can use a spray sealer. Take our Mod Podge again. This time you want to be generous but not too much. But like I said, you also do not want to agitate the glitter. Let that dry. Don't be impatient, let it dry, and I'll see you in the next step. Now that the tray is dry, we are going to need to epoxy it so that we can get that smooth finish to be able to place our decals. Excuse me. So what we'll need now is our epoxy, a big cup to mix with. I got these for $1 at Dollar Tree. Some tiny cups. I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree. Some gloves and a paintbrush. Now, you do need a mask because epoxy is dangerous. But like I said, I am right here by my door, my back door, and it is open, so it's well ventilated. Next time I will get a mask though. All right, so in the epoxy box, we have 3 measuring cups, which I might go ahead and use these because they have the measurements on them and I want to be safe because this is my first time. You have part A, and then you have a part B. They also give you 2 stir sticks, so we'll need one of those, and some instructions. Let's go ahead and do 2 tablespoons of each. So we'll start with side A. Set that to the side, and then let's do side B. Now you want to take your bigger cup and pour both of those in there. Alright. So now that we have our mixture, we're going to stir really slow. It says for 2 minutes. It is getting like a milky-ish color. It says you want to stir until it turns clear. So I'm just gonna stir until it's crystal clear. I'm going to use the straw method because I cannot find a lighter. I had a spritz bottle somewhere. I can't even find that. So we just gonna make it do what it do. So stir up our epoxy a little bit more and go ahead and start to spread. I'm gonna do what I've seen first. Uh-oh. Let some of it go under. I don't think I wanna do that. You pour on. I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera, y'all. You pour on and take the glove off before you put that near your face, y'all. All right, we are back. This is about 6 hours later. This is not hard. It's kind of sticky, sticky to the touch, like really tacky. So I believe going with the laminated paper and the Mod Podge paper, I believe these 2 are going to work best. So let's go ahead and cut up our money the way we want it on the tray and get to sticking, okay? But I think that dark green is really what's gonna do